What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Active Street Dreams, aka ASD. Yeah, we got the Challenger out today. Gonna finish hooking up the boost gauge.
That is way too close, man.
bro, don't be camera shy. Come on.
Way too close to my face.
So, the other night we got the power running to it. So today we're hooking up the vacuum line and everything. Yeah, let's see that pillar. Got the AFR gauge, the boost gauge, because
Boosty
we all
boy.
about that boost.
Boosty boy.
Boosty boy. Do a walk around.
Hey, don't be showing my engine.
You'll be fine.
I guess I gotta have it. I don't know. My phone's almost dead. What's your phone on? You wanna connect to my GoPro?
I have the GoPro app on my phone.
Do you not? You delete it?
Bruh, get your stuff together, boy.
Yeah, no, hold on.
Hold on, I got messages and stuff.
I really wish I had the stick because I'm shaking a lot.
Control your GoPro. Yeah.
Alright, so now you got Mark. He's gonna
Get on my
the boot
knees.
up. Yeah, get on his knees. I'm gonna open that boot so we can feed the line through the firewall.
I found a boot there.
I don't know if y'all can actually see it, but
Yeah, I'll push it. Hold on.
we gotta get
Alright, hold on, let me open that boot for you. Or push that boot down.
that fitting tied in.
Alright, go for it.
there.
Alright, hold on. Give me a second. Alright, go ahead. Alright, keep going. Pull it again. Pull it again. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm gonna take it under the brake master cylinder. I'm gonna have to get some more. Get some more back your way? Yeah. See if you can open that boot for me. Let me get my hand back in there. Alright.
Got that fitting on there finally, so we're gonna tighten it up.
You see the other side. You see it. Let me see it. Boy, let me see it.
Boy, I got this.
Alright.
It's actually bigger than 11. That one's bigger.
Is it?
Oh. Alright, so the black goes to the supercharger. The red one goes to the turbo. And this one, I think that one goes to the intake. Am I right? Okay. Alright, bet.
Alright. Where's the gauge? Where'd you put the gauge at?
Got the
Where's that other?
fitting and everything on there. Got the vacuum hose on there.
You suck at this so far.
I do.
I
can't say anything. You haven't actually been talking on camera. You've just been talking to Mark.
Talking on camera sucks, man.
I mean, it does, but you just gotta get used to it, though.
It's just one of them weird.
It's kind of like public speaking.
Here, hold this.
It's not even
Like-
really public.
Hold these
I don't know.
apart.
It's just weird because the camera can't talk back to you.
Don't let
I
them
mean,
touch.
yeah, but
Oh, hold on. Give me a
who
second.
cares either way? If I look stupid recording,
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm about to, you know.
Smell that E.
Car's cold right now. It's not gonna rev up like it needs to.
It sounded like two-step. Am I lying?
Well, if we have to, if you want to, what we can do is use that hose still. I'd just put a clamp or something over that. Because, I mean, I don't know how, I mean, I'm sure it'll stay pretty well, but it didn't go up.
Hang on.
at all.
Let's see how much you can blow into
No,
that.
I can't. Yeah, let's see how good your blowing skills are, boy.
he didn't even get 1 pound.
I'm not good at blowing. You can let go of those now. Do it. Bet you won't.
Kapow! Don't know if that actually did anything, but
Right. All right, well, we got that part up there.
all right. So now what we got to do is put it in the pillar and car warm up. Put it back.
It's just weird talking to the cameraman.
Put it back together, and then we're gonna see if it actually
We can
works.
record us playing pool too.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah. You wanna go play
dude,
pool?
we honestly,
Well, I
Mark,
don't know. Is she home?
We're
Yeah.
gonna mess with the tuner a little bit too.
yeah, she's home, but she told me that she was tired.
Oh, okay.
I said, you can either go to bed or take a fat nap.
Take a fat dick.
Hey, I'm still recording, bud.
I am too.
Take a fat dick.
Hey, won't you stop two-stepping over there, buddy? That one's for you, Jason. I hope you
Jason
watch
probably
this.
won't even look at this.
Jason, you better watch this.
He probably won't even look at it.
You better. Jason, if you love us, you'll watch it.
He probably didn't even watch it.
If you don't watch it, you don't love us.
That was definitely an easy little thing we just did. I mean,
It wasn't too bad.
it was not hard at all. I mean, all we did was feed it through the firewall and then plug it in.
Yeah,
Or
is it
screw it in there
safe
and then
around
plug
that
it in
boot
there.
though?
Huh?
Is it safe around that boot? Got her started, boy. Got the light on. It's actually reading vacuum now, so hopefully this actually works. Here in a minute, he's gonna let the car warm up because you have to let the supercharger warm up. I'm gonna take it down the road, see if it actually is somewhat accurate. Not really sure how accurate it's gonna be, but I mean, it's worth a shot. This was a gauge out of a 04 SRT4, I think. So got it hooked up. I'm gonna see if it reads accurate. I think it's supposed to be pushing 7 pounds of boost. Not really sure. Hey Mark, how much boost are you supposed to be pushing? About 7?
7 pounds.
Yeah, so he got it tuned for 7 pounds. So we're gonna see if it reads accurate tonight. Got the meme pro charger on there. Probably can't even hear me, everything's so loud. Oh, really? Yee.
See what it gets. know you are.
What?
It's exciting.
I know. Hey Mark, how excited are you?
I'm pretty excited.
I'm pretty excited.
I'm glad we got it done.
Yes.
It makes it even better that it came out SRT4.
Yeah.
It does.
Hey, just don't jinx it.
Alright, so now that we got the gauge done, we gotta hook up this HP tuner and you know, do some tuning, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, we definitely ain't tuning.
Yeah, we're definitely not
That's
tuning.
not happening.
We are not
That's out of my
certified
league
for that.
right there.
No.